How to view order history and past purchases on Ticketek. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can view order histories and past purchases on Ticketek. And how do you do this? The first step is by installing the Ticketek application on your device, and the second step is by opening up the Ticketek application. So after opening it up, I have brought to the home page. You would see event, account, ticket at the lower part of the screen, and then you would see the events, different events being displayed. So the next step here is to go ahead and click on ticket. All right, ticket is located as the last tab on at the lower part of the screen. So after clicking on ticket, you press the tickets page. On this page, to view your order history, just click on order history, and then you'll be taken to your order history where you see all of the orders you've made in the past as well as your past purchases. So as you can see this, you can now decide on the ones that you would want to delete, the one that you want to retain, or you can now make a calculation of your expenses so far. So for me, this is my order history. I have not made any order. That's why this place is empty. But for you, you will see as many order history as you have. So ensure you check them out today. Thanks for watching and have a good day.